so much for coming to see this home. Isn't this room amazing? I love the dining room right here at the front. Let's go look over here. We have an adorable bedroom right here at the front. I don't know if you noticed, but look at the vinyl plank flooring, and there's no transitions going from room to room. And then the primary bedroom, which is so cool and spacious. And for these older homes, sometimes you don't get a large closet space, but in this one, you really do, and it's amazing. Do you want to check out the kitchen? I think my colleague is in there and she's ready to show you that space.
Hey, nice to meet you. Come on in. Check out this kitchen. There's over 15 cabinets in here. How cool is that? If you've got lots of pots and pans, this is the place for you. Now, the other cool thing about this space is I don't know if you do baking or crafting, but you've got this great open countertop space with lots of light coming in from the newer windows. It's pretty awesome, hey? So let's walk on through. As I said, there's lots of cabinets, lots of counter space, and it's a galley style kitchen, but you really don't feel like you're in a smaller space. Now, if you want to come on through to the flex space, this place is amazing. So right now they're currently using it as an office space, but I totally envision you having a lounger here with a glass of wine, chilling in the evening. It's a pretty cool space. Come on through to the living room. I think you're really gonna like it. So this is the family room space, and I've got a little guest here. How great is this living room space?
I'm so glad you got to see that. It's so fun how the door from the primary bedroom actually comes through into this space. So you can enjoy the fireplace, this amazing room at the back. I think next you should go check out the patio. I think you'll love it. I absolutely loved this space. I'll tell you something, when I first met with the sellers of this house, I actually spent a couple hours sitting right here. We watched a storm roll in, we were sheltered. It was beautiful. I loved my time sitting here. It was so peaceful and serene.
And you know what else I love about here? This backyard is such a great space. If you got dogs or pets or kids, lots of room for them to roam around. There's built-in garden beds if that's your thing. And also you've got a newer single detached garage, which is amazing. Covering the car in those cold winter months. But you know what? Enough about the cold talk. It's beautiful out. Let's go get some ice cream.
Do you know what? My favorite is Doug and Betty's down the street. Sabrina, if you open the gate, we can also take a look down here at the sidewalk. Yeah. I want you to see the flowers that they have planted.
Wow, these are beautiful.
That ice cream is amazing. You've eaten it so fast. Can you imagine coming down here for a walk from your house to get ice cream? Like, yeah. It is legit the best ice cream there is.
Absolutely so delicious.
So if you end up getting this house, this is my most favorite place to go grocery shopping all summer long. It's walking distance. You are gonna love it. Let's go find some treats. The pro tip is every single time you come here, you must leave with a baguette.